looking at me, behind me is my RC station, alright? It's not complete, so bear with me. We're gonna get this thing fixed. But today, I'm gonna be unboxing our RC speedboat. You guys are gonna be amazed to see this thing, and then we will take this little guy out to do a lot of races, put this truck, put this speedboat into action pretty much, alright? It can go off-road. I don't mean by off-road that it's gonna go drive on the land. Pretty much, it can drive on the waves. So if there's waves, it'll bounce, and then you're gonna like this little guy. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this little guy out of here, alright? And this little big Max, I'll just leave it on the floor for now. But anyways, let me go get my speedboat, and I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna unbox it together. You're gonna love this thing. I had it for a few days. I wanted to open it, but I was waiting for the paint to dry on this little guy. So here it is. I'll be right back. Alright guys, here it comes. It's huge. Alright, there's a speedboat. Alright guys, that's the speedboat. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this thing right here, and we're gonna unbox this together. I'm gonna just move my lighting a little bit of this way. Alright, so what we have here is a boat by Hobbies. Alright, it's a beautiful boat. This thing is fast, 50 miles per hour across the lake. Alright, powerful. Alright, it takes 2 batteries, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip this over. We're gonna take the cover off. We're gonna unbox this little guy. So we're gonna take the top box off. Come on, come on. There it is, guys. Almost out. Alright. Let's see what's in here. Look at that. Alright. And I'm gonna lift this guy out of here. But before I lift it out, let me just bring my camera over so you guys can see what's in the box. What's in the box is this. Alright. That's what's in the box. Right there. Alright. And don't forget, still got the giveaway max up there. So if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, if you're watching this, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be giving away that RC truck sitting up on the top of the shelf. Alright. Away once I reach 1,000 subs. So let's continue this little unboxing session we have here. Yep, be careful on the top. Alright guys, there's the speedboat. Bam! This thing I can put on my shoulder and walk to the lake. And that's how I'm probably gonna do it. Anyways, Pro Boat by Hobbies. There's the propeller in the back. Let me move my light a little bit this way so we can see better on the boat. There's the bottom. Right? You got this sharp little fin right there. It's gonna cut through the water. Right? And you got the pipeline right there to suck in the water to cool off the motor and the ESC inside. So guys, there's my boat right there. Alright? And we're gonna be driving this guy in the water very soon, alright? And what we do is open this little guy, and inside is all the components is right here, guys. Inside this, it's not waterproof or water resistance. Long as water can stay out of it, you're good. put this to the side. And look at what's inside of this boat, alright? Right there. That's what's in there. Got the 2000 kilovolts motor here. Alright. We got the ESC dynamite. Alright. And it comes with a whole bunch of stuff here which I want to remove right now. Alright. This is like another stand for it. I'll put it up in the stand in a little bit. Alright, I gotta build that. Got the receiver right there, guys, not waterproof. I don't even know how they got this little guy in there. It's stuck to some type of material in there. And I don't want to damage anything for this antenna on this side. Alright, the antenna is not closed, so I'm gonna put something there. Probably silicone or something, and that should lock up that the opening right there. But anyways, guys, let me put this away for a second before I damage anything. Let's unpack this little guy right here. This is the stand that it's going to be sitting on, so the boat sits on this so it can't be on the ground. Let me move to this way so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So pretty much just 4 little pieces that go in together, right? Just like that. And let me get this guy in there. Pretty tough to get it in there, but got it. It's made out of wood. Comes with the boat. Alright, so the boat will sit on top of this. But what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take this little guy off, and slowly I'm gonna put this to the side on top of this E-Revo. Please hold that for me, E-Revo. This box is huge, guys. Humongous box. Right? Hopefully I don't drop anything. So the boat goes on top of this. Just like so. That's how it goes. I think it goes like that. There you go. My floor is uneven up here, or the stand is uneven, so I'm gonna make it flush. I will do that. So there's a speedboat. I'll bring the camera closer a little bit, but we got a few more things to take off this out of this box, guys. And let me bring the receiver box. I'm sorry, transmitter box. I know it's inside, guys, but just wanted to bring this little guy out. This is the transmitter. Pretty good, guys. Alright, got a whole bunch of knobs here. I'm not going to touch anything till I get the boat running, and then I could test it. Not a fan of these little knobs because there's no cushion like the Traxxas. Alright. Alright, guys, you got the trim throttle right there. Alright, there's the trigger. Throttle, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Neutral in the center. Alright, so I'm going to take this little guy. Gonna leave it to the side. Alright, there's a few more things inside this little guy. I want to take those out. I want to see what that is. I wonder what this is, alright? Anybody have idea what this is? Let me know. Because I have no idea. I will find out down the road. But at the moment, alright guys, I figured out what was all that for, but The little cushion is for the stand that goes underneath. But anyway, guys, I want to put this back together, and then I'm going to give you a small little tour of this up close and personal. Right? And what I'll do is I'll lock up this bolt, just like so. And you guys are going to come close. Let me get my camera. Alright, there it is. Alright, so there's my boat by Horizon Hobbies. Speedboat, that's what that is. It's a pretty good looking boat, guys. Very good looking boat. Alright guys, thank you. Subscribe to my channel, guys, and you will be seeing a lot of action with this little guy. And if you have any questions, please send me a message. And if there's any ideas you guys have, send me a message. Alright, so bye bye, and I will see you on the next one.